That's insane. Mate, that is a fast bike, you know, I'm not even winding you up. Seriously. Again! So I'm doing it the wrong way. Listen, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got Skeggsy on hand. Yeah boy! Today we are unboxing Stomp Pitbike's latest and greatest electric invention, which is their e-box sector of their business, which is electric pit bikes. Me and Skeggsy are getting involved.
We are indeed. It's going to be a good day.
We don't know what we're doing though, do we?
Hopefully it's just we unbox it and see what happens, but we actually don't know how it's going to go, do we?
We don't know anything about this thing. We don't know whether it's even charged. All I know is Stomp Pitbike have hooked us up for the channel with this e-box electric bike and told us, be careful, it's nippy. To have it this close to the garage wall because my Doberman circles it, running round it, and he'll just scratch the side. So we're not going to bring Django the Doberman in, but we are going to bring the Frenchies in.
Frenchie!
King of the castle.
Drop it in there, big one. Do you like it?
Are you ready for an unboxing? Are you ready for an unboxing? Are you ready to unbox this thing? I think he's ready to unbox it. Let's get straight into this. Let's rip the lid off. Thinking the first thing we need to do
snip
is snip the top off. I'm always the guy to do the first initial thing. Today it's going to be a different type of day, mate.
Doesn't that way you give me blunt?
Are you messing? I'll do that first go.
I'll
do that first go.
I've loosened it off for you. Go on then, big man.
This is the problem, you're too deep. Gee, looks quite big.
It does look quite big.
Doesn't it? Bird's eye view. Looks chesty.
Wow.
I'm going to start a collection.
Cardboard collection.
Yeah. Oh!
Oh god.
It's a bad boy, that.
Yeah, it's a
big wheel. Feel the weight of that.
Isn't that going to BMX? Oh, that is heavy.
Is that going to go on a BMX? I don't want to know. I don't want to know, Skeggsy.
There's manual there.
Oh, there's the user manual he was on about. There's actually a spec sheet in here, you know. I was joking then, I was expecting it to not be. Okay, here is where we are at. We've got the 1600, which is the middle one. They do a more powerful one and they do a weaker one. I'm not going to be completely bore you with all of this spec sheet, but I'm going to tell you the things that you possibly really do want to know, which is it's 1600 watt battery. It does 48 kilometers an hour standard, which is like...
That's terrifying.
That's quite quick, isn't it, on a pit bike?
Is that 30 odd?
Charge time, 7 to 8 hours. Range per charge, 30 kilometers.
Told you, lad.
It's far.
Yeah, it's far.
That's far. That is far. It's got a 48 volt battery. Anyway, let's open this bad boy.
Ooh, baby! What do you think? What do you think? I don't know.
It's quite big, isn't it?
It'll look completely different, but that's shocking, I think.
Yeah, with a shock with the bars on the front wheel on. So as you can see, bars are on. Imagine that. Bars come on. Right, let's find the step. Let's find the top of the handlebars.
Was it not in the little box?
Yeah. Okay, beautiful. So we've got an Allen wrench, if you're American. We're going to tighten these bad boys up.
What's your overall impression of the bike? You haven't seen one in person yet, have you?
Literally, and since me and you last filmed together, like 6 years ago,
Yeah.
that was the last time I've messed around on a pit bike.
Yeah.
And it was a petrol one, which was amazing. It was good, that pit bike, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was good.
We went to skate parks and everything on it.
Oh, hello.
More like that.
Yeah.
Right, so the bars are on. So the next thing we're going to do is probably put it upside down and put the front wheel on. How much better does it look with its handlebars on?
Yeah, it's a proper bike now, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to do the actual pull out the box piece. Woo! We are out, officially. Out of the box. Look at that. Looks insane.
Does look really good.
I bet it's quick.
Yeah, it'll sit up as well nicely, won't it, when the back shocks in.
So now, I'm thinking, I need to figure out how I'm going to get it in the air to get the front wheel. Because the axle...
Kickstander.
Do you reckon it would stand up?
It's worth trying it. There you go. Whoa!
The GDR.
Yeah, that was close, that. It's closer than you'd want it to be. Take that for free.
Right.
You need a front wheel in to kickstand.
So if you hold that, like that...
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is teamwork, this Skegsy, mate.
Yeah, buddy.
You're my best friend, you know, Skegsy.
You're my best friend, lad.
Cheers, mate. Yeah. It's good being best friends, isn't
I like
it?
being best friends.
I had it lined up.
You getting the angles?
For the first time.
Ah.
Ever.
Come on now.
You don't know the meaning of getting the angles, you Skegsy.
Remember that for next week.
There we go. Done. Let's pull the warning stickers off because they look ugly. Obviously they're there for retail purposes, not for YouTube purposes. We have a beautiful shock. I'm guessing it takes air as well, which is pretty cool. These are the questions we need to be asking them for the session. Could be set up though. That goes in there. Ow! I'm going to turn around and say though, I don't believe that the air... Obviously, you want to be able to get to that. I'm going to do the right thing, mate. I'm going to check the website.
Alright, we'll be back. This is the way I thought it was. Nice. Mate, that's danger mode, that. It's got finger licking chicken written all over it.
I'm going to do that, and I'm going to put the bottom one.
Smart.
The bottom one in first.
Smart.
Okay, so I've got a 14mm socket. I'm tightening up the top bolt. Is that side spinning now?
Yeah. Yeah.
And if that's another 14. Yeah. It's a 13. Give me a break. Oh, it'll be nice. Spinning up my driveway in a minute. Done.
Unreal. So have a look at the whip.
How's she looking?
Unreal.
Beast, isn't it?
Little whip.
Do you reckon we go no mud guard?
Street mode?
Street mode.
Yeah.
We ain't even going to put a mud guard on this thing. Nothing against your mud guard. E-box. For people who are into the pit bike stuff, I'd imagine they'd be well into that. I'm going to be honest though, we're going street on this bad boy. We are street riders now, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to go street, so we're going to get rid of this.
Do you reckon we can get a free coaster for it? That'd be pretty simple.
You're fakey in this.
Oh yeah.
Trust.
Like,
Got keys. Here, we're going to need one key, don't we?
you'd hope so.
One key can live in that.
I'll have it.
Just put it in that box up there. It's got a spike in
In
it.
your pocket.
Right. Oh, is it on? Is it coming on? Or is it completely dead?
Looks like it's completely dead. What anticlimax.
What an anti-clown. Unreal, Skeggsy.
Well, at least people know that when they buy one, if they buy one for a birthday, if they buy one for
But then
next
is that start up and there's actually a button somewhere? Come on, we are rubbish at stuff like this, me and you.
Yeah, but you think if you turned that on, that would come on? Yeah,
Maybe, Oh, no, we need fuses.
Oh.
Chuck us the fuses.
We're boss at this one.
Persuasion. So I'll give you this back. We should probably keep this.
What's all that stuff? Don't worry about it.
This is for the mug guard, and the fuse is a spare, and I'd imagine maybe we'll need a spare fuse.
So the fuse goes in underneath there.
Whoa!
You've got the key on?
Shit. Jack, I just blew the bike.
There you go, have a spare.
Come on then, you know, Jack, I just blew the bike. Jack, I just blew the bike.
Mate, that was a profit.
Mate, the bike might be frazzled, you know, I swear. Stuff like that frazzles bikes. Man, I nearly got lithiumed into next week then. Did you see that? Did you see that?
I did. Oh, that was bad though.
Seriously? Again? Jack, I'm doing it the wrong way. We've got one left.
See? Here.
We've got one left. Good job we kept all three. Why is it exploding? Maybe I'm doing it the wrong way or something. What the Seriously? It's kind of risky.
There is a way, like you can see, look around.
There is a what?
Well, they're facing opposite directions, aren't they? It's like A and B.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. I swear, that's just like it joins a circuit.
Maybe there's still a little bit of charging.
Maybe from having the key on.
Yeah.
Both brakes in, clutch down, ignition on.
Should we do this outside? Because I feel like you're about to go through that telly.
Imagine, at 40 mile an hour. Power battery display. See, what I want to know is why is it... Because I wasn't doing the throttle. Oh my god!
There's some whip to that, isn't it? Oh my god! These tiles. We might have to go outside here. Is that just a slight little throttle? Isn't it?
Ah, I need touch. That's insane. Oh my god.
I might have to race it against the jitter.
Mate, that is a fast bike, you know, I'm not even winding you up. That is quick, you know. I'm concerned.
Do one more, you've turned all the way up to me there.
No, I'm concerned.
Stop in time.
Mate, this is crazy. Skeggsy coming back for V2.
I don't look.
Really comfortable. So, I'm reading a pretty cool discount code, pitbikedirect.com. If you use MAINS, M-A-I-N-S, I'll put it on the screen. As your discount code, you'll get £50 off one of these bad boys, which is pretty cool. That's just through being a viewer of the channel and a long-term subscriber. Make sure you go and get involved and check them out, pitbikedirect.com. They've been cool enough to give us one of these for the channel that we can try at a spot near you in the next couple of weeks. It's going to be entertaining to say the least. So we'll see you in the next video riding this pit bike at a crazy location. Make sure you tune back in, make sure you go and follow Pitbike Direct on all socials. Go and check it out, pitbikedirect.com, for all 3 different models of the e-box. Insane. See you next time.